Nothing like a snow day to want a new furnace, especially a free one, right? Bobby Johnson from Golden Rule Plumbing, Heating, Cooling, and Electrical is here to talk about a special promotion. Wow, you couldn't have timed this better with the snow. We're all thinking about our furnace.
This is timely today, the snow coming down, a little tricky getting around and down here, but it's still that time of year.
Yeah, we're so glad you made the trip. Tell us about the special promotion with the furnace.
Yeah, so it's something that we've done in the past. We do call it free furnace promotion, meaning, it's you buy an AC, you get a furnace for free type of thing. Now, in all fairness and honesty, you still have to pay the other related material costs, the labor to install it, but it's a substantial $1,500 to $2,000 discount. So always trying to look for different ways to give back. And of course, this time of year, when we're back and forth, what was it, 2 days ago we're 60 and now we're a foot of snow. So this time of year when we go back and forth, and it's always something that's kind of on our mind the older that they get, but it's never really exciting to have to do. So anytime that we can try to make that a little bit easier than we do, so we have that going on right now. If you've had any, and I should say too, not only the promotion, but we talked about the last couple of times I've been here about the first of this year and government regulations and price increases. So all of that has taken effect as far as the production of the equipment, but we still have some of 2022 inventory. So we haven't had to take all those price increases plus this promotion. I mean, it's thousands of dollars in your advantage,
Yeah, so if you have had any issues at all or you've been kind of delaying it, now is the time to get a new one.
Which is very common to do, right? Yeah. Let's do the little fix, or let's try to get one more year. That's such a common conversation that we have. Oh, maybe one more year, maybe one more year. And I know we always want to push this down the road. New cars and vacations are so much more fun.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, when they decide to stop for good, then they do, and then we still have to do it. So when we can take advantage of some stuff like this, of course we want you to know about it, and we try to make it as easy as possible.
Yeah, and that's not the only promotion, because you do plumbing, heating, cooling, and electrical, and you have great offers for all of that this month.
So something new that we started this year is, that the honey-do list gets long, or just some of the smaller projects, not replacing the furnace and air conditioner, but some of those other things stack up. Well, that faucet's kind of been dripping, or this, I wish we had more outlets in this room, things like that. Then some of those things get pushed down the list. So what we started to do this year, and you're seeing some on the screen now, that under the heating, cooling, the plumbing, the electrical umbrellas, is that we're going to have some monthly specials or promotions that you can find on our website. They'll change each month, but it just makes it a little easier to knock off some of those. So, $50 off your first electrical service, or you have a garbage disposal that's acting up, that's a special this month. As far as sump pump inspections are coming up.
I was going to say, that'd be great to have right now in the water heater safety inspection.
Yes, yeah, so the water heater, just to make sure, that's just another piece of equipment that's kind of downstairs, it's out of sight, out of mind, that kind of thing. But sump pump, definitely timely this time of year. We're getting more snow today, that's going to melt very quickly, with right back to 50 plus degrees again the weekend. And then, of course, we all know, March and April, the rainy season, so make sure we're ready for those.
Yeah.
Because the sump pump acting up never results in good things happening in the basement.
That is so true. Well, lots of great specials. This is fun that this is going to go on every month, the different specials. Bobby, thanks so much for being here to share this with us today.
Yeah, thanks for letting me come in and talk. And, of course, as Gold Club members, you always go to the front of the line. We come out for free, but we're able to offer this to everybody here on the months to come.
Well, wonderful. And you can sign up to be a Gold Club member or get more information about Golden Rule Plumbing, Heating, Cooling, and Electrical in Grimes off Northeast Main Street. To set up an appointment, call 888-986-2424 or go online to goldenrulephc.com. You could also find Golden Rule on Facebook and Instagram.